Hi, I'm Jane Gormley, Careers Director here at Code Institute, and today we're going to talk about why it's important to learn how to code. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. There can be several good reasons to jump into programming in today's technological era, whether you want to change your career, learn new skills, or upskill for your current role. Let us look at 5 reasons why you should learn to program. Over the last decade, the rate at which technology has grown has been phenomenal, and during the pandemic, we saw it grow even faster. As a result, programmers are needed now for every single industry, now more than ever. Number 1, programming is helpful in jobs you do not expect. Learning to program is more important for some roles than others, but that does not mean that programming cannot be helpful in less technically anchored jobs. Fundamental programming skills can give you an edge at work by making some tasks more manageable. Whether it is the company's webpage you're helping with, scheduling a workforce, or changes to a budget algorithm, programming can help you with everyday tasks. Number 2, there are plenty of jobs. Depending on where you look, there are millions of jobs for technically skilled people. For example, PwC reckons there will be 5.3 million new jobs by 2030 due to automation and digitisation. All over the world, the ICT scene is demanding a more considerable stream of software developers. With COVID-19, those numbers have only grown. As a result, businesses have had to find digital solutions, which has led to further growth in the skills gap. Number 3, high salary potential. For many people, high salaries are a significant motivational factor. If this is the case for you, then it is another incentive to start learning to program. Most jobs that involve programming skills have a higher than average salary. Of course, the salary varies depending on what kind of job you're looking for, but the general trend is that a career in programming will bring you from junior levels to senior within just 5 years. Number 4, more freedom. There are many forms of freedom with programming. With the assignments being online, a physical presence is not always necessary, and in many companies they will allow you to work from home if you want. Furthermore, there is less focus on your working hours, but more focus on project completion. Number 5, learn everything online. You do not necessarily have to take a bachelor or a master's degree to learn to program. All the information is freely available online, and it is possible to teach yourself much of it. But there are also programming courses and bootcamps that do not take as long as traditional education. Many of these programs are delivered online and are often more practically orientated than conventional education might be. Programming is more critical now than ever before. More and more jobs require people to have software development skills. For example, the World Economic Forum predicts that 85 million jobs will be displaced by technology by 2025 due to the increased use of automation, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. In place of these roles, it's predicted that 97 million more tech-focused positions will be required. Check any jobs board and you will see the likes of HTML are now a requirement. 10 years ago, this would not have been the case. Therefore, it's essential to learn more programming skills to avoid being left behind. If you are new to code, then it's time to dip your toe in the water. Our free 5-day coding challenge will teach you the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. After 1 hour a day, over 5 days, you'll learn how to build your first ever web page. Register now through the link in the description.